Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to enable background sounds on your iPhone. This is a really easy way to add some ambient noise while you work, relax, or just need a little focus. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you find Accessibility. Tap on that. Now, scroll down again to the Hearing section. In there, you'll see Audio and Visual. Go ahead and tap on that option. Alright, almost there. At the top of the screen, you should see Background Sounds. Tap on that. Here's the magic button. You can turn background sounds on by toggling the switch at the very top. I'm going to leave it off for now so it doesn't get too loud in the video. Below the on-off switch, you can customize the sound. Tap on Sound to choose from different options like rain, stream, ocean, and more. I personally like the rain sound. Give them a listen and pick your favorite. You can also adjust the volume of the background sound using the slider. This volume is independent of your iPhone's overall system volume, which is really handy. You can have your music playing loudly while the background sound is super subtle. Next, you have the option to play when media is playing. If you toggle this on, the background sound will continue to play even when you're listening to music or watching a video. Again, you can adjust the volume specifically for when media is playing. Finally, at the bottom, you'll find Stop Sounds when locked. This is useful if you don't want the background sound to continue playing when your iPhone screen is locked. So once you've customized everything to your liking, just toggle the background sound switch on, and you're good to go. Now, here's a cool trick. You can add the background sounds control to your control center for quick and easy access. To do this, swipe down from the top right of your screen to access your control center. Then, tap on the plus icon in the top left corner to add a control. Scroll down until you find the Hearing Accessibility options. Look for Background Sounds, and tap the plus button next to it to add it to your control center. You can also rearrange the icon's position if you want. Now, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to go back to your home screen. Swipe down from the top right again to access your control center, and you should see the background sounds icon. Just tap on it to toggle the sounds on or off. Super convenient. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and customized background sounds on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. And if you want more iPhone tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to Rome Tips. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.